Mwandiki Munene chamani cha DCP na ingi seneta wa Kaunti ya Nyandarua John Methu Emwamba na atongoi yangi ma DCP nimaleana na muvango wa Nthi ya Kenya kwaka Kisese cha kuvatha na Kuiita Awau uwau wa Ebola kuma ingi kuya Kaunti ya Nanyuki ewetakana uwau ni wonanio wa kana serikali ya Kenya ndinavata na uima wa Nthi aiweta kana nthino ya Kenya yina uiti mulelu ilianilwa na Nthi ya Amerika kavindani kauna ke Mwandiki Munene wa uiti Mary Modhoni ni wawetakana Kenya ni yikite mawalanio mailu na muno mbingiloni cia Nthi kuikithia kana Nthi makuma Nthi ni mathimwa na matambia mailu ma uiti ni matwaigwa kusia uwau wa Ebola osea kemanzi no atombanisia mauvo
aine na nandiki mamovo seneta Methu Emwamba na atongoi yangi kyamani cha DCP ni wawetakana kwa kituo cha kuvatha na kuita uma Ebola ni kuikia mathayo ma Nthi mwisioni aiwetakana oni wonanio wa undu serikali itena bata na uima wa Nthi.
Over the last few days, Kenyans have raised concerns about the establishment of an Ebola quarantine, monitoring and treatment facility at the Laikipia Air Base in Nanyuki. Concerns that have equally been raised by the medical doctors, and the High Court has since issued stay orders on the same. President William Ruto admitted that he personally authorized the establishment of the facility in Nanyuki. Basic questions to President William Ruto and his government. What are your strategic national interests in terms of health and safety of Kenyans and our country's natural resources? If the United States of America, with a working healthcare system as compared to our poor healthcare infrastructure, has categorically stopped its own citizens exposed to the Ebola disease from setting their foot in America, why are you exposing Kenyans?
Uyovo Senator Methu aiwetakana atongoi maitikira kwa kituo kiva Kenya aiwetakana serikali ni ani kuya mabata na uima wa Nthi mbe wa maundu onze.
We join the people of Kenya, the health professionals, in saying no to this Ebola facility in Nanyuki or elsewhere within the territory of the Republic of Kenya. Kenyans' interest must come first, Mr. President.
Kavindani kau Mwandiki Munene muvyani wa uiti Mary Modhoni aiwetakana Nthi ya Kenya ni ikite mawalanio mailu mbingiloni cia Nthi kuhikithia matambia mailu ma kukitana na uwau wa Ebola kuma Nthi ingi kukava Kenya.
At the ports of entry, we will deploy measures because as we have already been working with authorities from different other countries to ensure that we have exit surveillance. We also are going to demand to ensure that there's screening from the country of origin before getting into our country, and everybody must produce evidence that they have been screened from the 10 countries that we are already screening at our ports of entry.
Ngirivotia vilingu wa Movo Mutongoi TV, Ozea Gimanzi.